Hanuman is one of the most revered deities in Hinduism, known for his immense strength, devotion, and unwavering loyalty. He is a central character in the Hindu epic Ramayana and plays a significant role in Mahabharata as well. Hanuman is widely worshipped across India and other parts of the world where Hinduism is practiced. His life, from his divine birth to his supposed immortality, is filled with extraordinary feats, deep devotion to Lord Rama, and unwavering dedication to Dharma. In this detailed account, we will explore Hanuman's life story, his role in the Ramayana, his later adventures, and his ultimate fate according to different scriptures and traditions. ********** 1. Birth and early life. Hanuman was born to Anjana, an Apsara cursed to be born on earth as a Vanara, monkey-like being, and Kesari, a powerful Vanara chief. His birth was divinely ordained by Lord Shiva, as he was an incarnation of Shiva's power, meant to assist Lord Vishnu's avatar, Rama. ****The divine blessing. It is said that Anjana and Kesari prayed to Lord Shiva for a child. Pleased by their devotion, Shiva granted them a boon that their son would be powerful, wise, and devoted to righteousness. Around the same time, King Dasharatha of Ayodhya performed a sacred ritual, Putrakameshti, to have children. The divine prasad, sacred food, meant for Dasharatha's queens was carried away by the wind god, Vayu, and reached Anjana, leading to Hanuman's conception. Thus, Hanuman is considered the son of Vayu, the wind god, who also blessed him with immense strength, speed, and agility. Childhood feats. Hanuman, as a child, was highly mischievous and extraordinarily powerful. One of the most famous incidents from his early life is when he mistook the sun for a ripe fruit and leaped towards the sky to grab it. Seeing this, Indra, the king of gods, struck Hanuman with his thunderbolt, Vajra, causing him to fall unconscious. Vayu, enraged by this attack on his son, withdrew air from the universe, causing great distress to all living beings. To pacify him, the gods granted Hanuman numerous boons. Brahma granted him immunity from weapons. Indra gave him a body harder than the Vajra. Varuna made him immune to water. Agni ensured he could withstand fire. Yama, god of death, blessed him with longevity. However, as Hanuman became too mischievous, a sage cursed him to forget his divine powers until someone reminded him of them. ********2. Hanuman's role in the Ramayana. *****Meeting Lord Rama. Hanuman's destiny was tied to Lord Rama, an incarnation of Vishnu. When Rama and his brother Lakshmana were searching for Sita, who had been kidnapped by Ravana, they entered the forest where Hanuman lived. Hanuman, disguised as a humble Vanara, met Rama and immediately recognized his divine nature. His heart filled with devotion, and he vowed to serve Rama forever. Journey to Lanka. One of Hanuman's greatest feats was his journey to Lanka to find Sita. When the Vanaras learned that Sita was held captive by Ravana in Lanka, they needed a messenger to cross the vast ocean. Jambavan, the wise bear king, reminded Hanuman of his forgotten powers. Realizing his true strength, Hanuman grew in size and leaped across the ocean. He overcame many obstacles, including Surasa *, a celestial being who tested him. Sinhika *, a demon who tried to capture him. Lanka's guardian *, whom he defeated upon arrival. Once in Lanka, Hanuman found Sita in Ashok Vatika, sorrowful yet steadfast in her devotion to Rama. He reassured her that Rama would rescue her soon. Hanuman's Lanka adventures. Hanuman's bravery was further displayed when he allowed himself to be captured by Ravana's soldiers, burned down much of Lanka with his flaming tail, delivered Sita's message to Rama. This act of devotion made him one of the greatest heroes of the Ramayana.